What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stoner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby, on a Monday morning. Should nobody be this lit on a Monday, but I am, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm always making this money. I'm my own man. You know what I'm saying? I know some of y'all be in these cults and all that you can't talk about this and all that. Not me. Hey, prime example, Ether Connect. You looking dead at it. I know they told you, you know what I'm saying, don't get, oh, it got connected tonight. You crazy. Let me know how that work out. Well, I'm going to let you know how that working out. I know I'm going to let you know since you want to know how it's going to work out. Anyway, let's see what we got. The ECC token, man, is going to be listed on Uniswap for $1 in 8 days and 9. I got the countdown going and everything. So the ECC, that's what we get. That's what they call it, the Ether Connect coin, something, whatever. But it's called ECC. So it'll be $1 on Uniswap in 8 days. You might not think $1 a lot, huh? But let me show you something. Look at the chart, baby. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. I know, but you think hourglasses and all that and all that cat. They down here. You tell me it's gonna go back. It's going. Man, shut up. Y'all so stupid. Anyway, boy, look at this thing. Since February, 10 cents. Now look at it. We in August. Almost 40 cents. This thing was 38 cents. Almost 40 cents. Nothing but gains. Nothing but gains, baby. Now look now. I only put $1,000 in here. I only put $1,000 in here, baby. Look at what I done get. Look. Total earnings. $21,000. I don't even promote this. I don't even promote it. You rarely ever hear me. You probably yourself like, dang, I forgot about that. You know what I'm saying? And we got these right here for free. The EIFI. This was an airdrop. So I earned 880 of them. And I got an airdrop of 2,219 of them. I got a total of 3,100 of them. They're $15 a piece. They were $47,000, bro. $47,000. I don't even know. It's an airdrop. So they got the Panda. I call it Panda. I don't know what that is. Lenu, whatever. Inu. I don't know. But they got the Panda private sale going to be live in 21 hours. They want a Panda airdrop snapshot. These folks serious, boy. These folks serious. So I don't know, man. I'm just showing it to you. I just, I check this thing every now and then, make a little withdrawal, give me a few ETH up out of here, and I'm going about my business. You know what I'm saying? ETH is what? How much is ETH now? ETH is what? $3,200. I only put $1,000 in this thing, bro. Just printing ETH. Printing Ethereum for your boy. But I know, what it sound like and all that. And I'm just making this money, bro. Let's move on, shall we? Let's get over here to the monster truck division. You know what I'm saying? For the big boys. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, you ever went to one of the monster truck shows? Man, why? Especially them old ones where they used to have the real big monster truck. They used to crush on them big old cars. Man, they be flipping over. Man, why? I'll tell you. Man. Anyway, what we got going on? Let's check the price of drip, baby. Let's check the price. Let's check the price, baby. I mean, $26.50. But that thing, boy, I'm telling you. Teflon coin, boy. It's the Teflon coin. Y'all still waiting on $15 drip and all that, boy. You just losing money. You just wasting time in the way. Let's get this money, baby. Let's get this money. What I got over here? I got 349. I only get 300 a day. I ain't even claim. I only supposed to get, what, $8,000. I got 9. I ain't even claim. I need to claim. I got these over here. I ain't even sold. Man, you know what I'm saying? Just enjoy the platform, baby. Just enjoy the platform. Still bringing in new money. My peoples are bringing in new money. I don't know who these folks is. But I had somebody. I need to pull that up. I had somebody inbox me the other day, yesterday morning. Hey man, I joined your drip team. You still doing airdrop? Like, I'm just sitting there looking at it. I ain't even respond. Like, bro, first of all, how you even get that address? Where you come from? I just did airdrop Friday, so why would you even ask me that? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why I don't even, people, man, you be too hard on them. No, I don't. Why would you ask me that if you watch my video? How would you even get my address? Where you come from? You know what I'm saying? Well, I know where they come from. They come from other YouTubers You know what I'm saying? They made all the promises, and now they don't do them. And now they want to come over here and try to get me to make up for them. They want to put in 2 drip and think I'm finna get them 100 drip airdrop. No, sir. Take your bitch ass on back where you came from. I don't want you. You know what I'm saying? You obviously thought that person was that did this shit. Yeah, I'm coming over here. I ain't damn stunned. I'm coming over here because so-and-so, he speak proper English and he got a bunch of stars and stripes and stuff on his opening. I don't give a fuck about none of that. Stay over there where you at, bro. Don't come over here thinking I'm finna do nothing. And they be the man one end up talking crazy. I ain't never got no airdrop thing. You ain't. You know what I'm saying? I like to reward my loyal people. I will find a way to do it. My people. Now, I don't want no jump ship people. So if you watching this, you or somebody else, that's between you and them. Go inbox them. Don't come over here talking about what I'm going to do for you. Give you a pound of shit to eat. That's what I'm going to do for you. You know what I'm saying? So look here, man. Let's keep it moving, baby. Pancake swap. What is the thing at? $21? It was a 22. Oh, damn, it's going back that time. I was going down to 0. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm too crunk, man. I mean, man, life is wonderful, baby. You know what I'm saying? But what we got? Still earning this old free cake. You know what I'm saying? Got $400 right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got going on. Coin swap. Well, probably 269, 270. That's still hanging in there. That percentage, though, that percentage still up there. I think that still paying out 250. This right here still paying 400%. All right, now I'm gonna do some research. That's over 1% a day. That's that more drip prices there. What is VN? Anybody know what VNT is? I need to find out what that is. I might got to jump on it. It's still paying 400%. Remember, it was paying 500 a couple days ago. And it's still paying 3% fee, though. Ooh, I don't like no fee. I like to pay 0 fee. I might got to go on back up here. I got to go on back up where I'm from. I got too excited. But 3% ain't that bad. It ain't that bad, I don't think. Well, it's bad for me because, I go in, hey, I brings the sledgehammer. Y'all know what I preach. And I ain't trying to turn $100 into $200. That's stupid. You in crypto, be in crypto. Come on over here and make this thing. Bro, do you understand we're in a bull market? The worst thing you can do is bullshit in a bull market. I'm just saying. I'm trying to give you some game, man. The worst thing you can do is play around in a bull market. You need to be getting all the gains you can get. Because winter will be here. You know what I'm saying? The dry season. You ever watch them Discovery channels, and boy, they be the rain season. They get all the flowers, and everybody be happy, and everybody eating. Boy, that dry season come, boy, hey, you see the ribs, you see the tigers you see the rib bones, and the lions is skinny. Ain't that worse than a skinny lion? I ain't finna be no skinny lion. Well, I'm king of the jungle, even though tigers be in the jungle, lions be in the desert. So you learn something new every day, man. I'm giving you, what is this game? Lions are not in the jungle, baby. Lions in the desert. But they say king of the jungle, and they talking about the lions. But who am I to give you facts? You know what I'm saying? Because I am the king of the jungle, king of the desert, king of crypto. You understand what I'm saying? Got this thing from scratch. I ain't Bitboy and them who already came in rich and all. No. Anyway, what else we got going on? Buy swap. You see it? They got the Bitcoin trading competition, man. They got the ADA launch pool. They got the XRP launch pool. You know what I'm saying? What you want, man? They got the Wealthy BSW launch pool. Like, bro, if you got a farm, what do you want? They got an ADA launch pool. XRP, they own it. They own everything that's hot. They are on it. And look at the price. Look at the price. $1.30 ain't finna be $1.40. It's rising with the market. And the farm's still paying over 200%. I don't know what it is. Again, bring your sledgehammer. Make this money. Because a lot of y'all ain't been through a bear market. A real bear market. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, when the bear market comes, the gain's going to be slim and ugly. It's going to be just like last time. Remember the last bear market, the real bear market we had? The only thing we had was Hex. So if you wasn't in Hex, you wasn't making no money. And it's setting up again. Next bear market come, the only thing we gonna have is pulse chain. You ain't in pulse chain, you ain't gonna be making no money. You know what I'm saying? Unless drip keep going. But anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, bring your sledgehammer, baby. Let's make this money. I let your boy.